Hello everyone, John here. Welcome to Backyard Maine. Today we're actually in my backyard and we're going to till this garden. Now it's 25 feet wide by 50 feet long. I till it twice a year, once in the spring and once in the fall. I just finished harvesting all the vegetables and we took down the electric fence and it's ready for tilling. So as you can see, I have the John Deere 1025R here, and on the back we have the King Kutter 48-inch XB tiller. Now I've had this tiller for a couple of years now and it seems to work great. I love it, works great with this tractor. So I also have the 47-inch snow blower hooked up. It's only October 1st. Let's hope that I don't have to use this anytime soon, but we are in Maine and sometimes we do snow blow in the month of October. Well, as you can see, that rototiller really did a good job on this garden. I went over it 2 times, I usually do, and it really tills everything up real nice. Kind of walk down through here. Well, thanks a lot for watching. Next on the agenda is to blow out this remote water supply before winter. If you want to see how I installed this remote water supply, you can check that video out right now. Have a great day.